Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by deciding the single offer that will drive your leads and revenue. Your website must focus on one clear offer and one conversion action. Create a concise value proposition above the fold that explains benefits in one sentence. Aim for a landing page conversion rate between 2% and 5%. Use a 3-field lead form to reduce friction and increase submissions. Limit navigation to avoid distractions and present one primary call to action on every page. Maintain brand consistency and trust signals to support conversions. Design the site with fast performance and clear visual hierarchy for every visitor. Keep page load time under 3 seconds for better engagement. Implement a mobile-first responsive layout that adapts to narrow screens and desktop monitors. Place one dominant CTA button with clear color contrast and action-oriented text, like Get My Quote. Use short headlines and bullets to communicate benefits within 5 seconds of arrival. Include trust elements such as testimonials, logos, and a privacy statement near forms. Optimize images and use caching to preserve speed and stability. Generate traffic through a balanced mix of SEO, PPC, and targeted email sequences. Drive traffic using SEO, PPC, and targeted email sequences. Route incoming visitors to purpose-built landing pages with matching ad creatives and messaging. /B test headlines, CTA, and form fields weekly to improve conversion metrics over time. Implement analytics, conversion pixels, and UTM tags to track source and behavior accurately. Track leads with a CRM and automate follow-up sequences within 24 hours of capture. Review cost per lead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.